Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the dashboard area accurately because fit determines function and safety. Once done, transfer those dimensions to a 5-7 mm corrugated cardboard sheet and mark cut lines. Use a sharp utility knife and a straight edge to cut the main panel. Make shallow scoring cuts for any bends to prevent jagged edges. Then glue 1/2 cardboard strips along stress points to reinforce mounts, so the structure holds gauges and accessories without sagging. Once the base panel is ready, build the mounting frame by gluing 1 ribs perpendicular to the panel to create a box-like support. You do this to distribute loads evenly. Next, position templates for vents, gauge clusters, and switch holes, and cut them cleanly so components slip through snugly. Make an outer skin by laminating 2 thin cardboard layers over the frame. This smooths irregularities. Finally, sand joints and seams lightly to prepare for covering and to ensure consistent gaps for trim. You finish by covering the dashboard with vinyl or fabric using spray adhesive. Stretch and heat gently to remove wrinkles so the surface looks factory-like. Then install gauges and vents, fastening with short machine screws and backing plates behind the cardboard to prevent pull-through. Check fitment in the car and make final trim cuts where needed. If something doesn't align, shim mounting points with thin cardboard pieces or carefully enlarge openings in small increments to preserve strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.